So this is a new 2024 Forester MBS. What's MBS? That's the Mercedes engine, right? So it has a Mercedes engine. It is a 2401B as in Bravo. We'll start here. We'll look at, it's got a full body paint, right? So your full body paint all the way throughout the whole coach. I just want to show them the front end. I like the Mercedes. It just looks high class. I think they do a nice end as far as laying this all together. It looks really sharp. So as a look appeal, I really like it. Come down here, you got your outside entertainment, right? So you got your television with your door that'll come down. That is on a magnet, so it's easy to, you don't have to worry about unlatching it and breaking the clip and everything there. That's a plus. Full power awning. They do nice speakers on the exterior as well. And then you've got your water heater location right there. Let's check out the inside. Let's go inside. This is a compact unit, so I'll go over the specs and everything as we move in. All right, if you want to come on in, I'm gonna close the door so you guys can hear me better here as they're moving units in and out for the show here. Okay. One thing that stands out to me first is I'm tall, right? So I've got plenty of headroom right here. I'm 6'5", so I mean, you probably got, 6'8", 6'9" at least. Just shooting off the top of my head. This does have a JBL sound system, right? So that you can Bluetooth right in, play everything through there. They do a nicer, I call this a MCD roller shade. MCD makes nicer roller shades than most. You've got solid surface countertops, undermount stainless steel sink. One thing that's cool here that you'll notice is this actually has an induction cooktop, right? So you have induction cookware. When you put that on, when you take that off, it cools instantly. That's how they're getting away with being able to do a roller shade in here for code. They do a nicer, look how these are. Like they two-tone that. You don't see that very often. And they radius them up, so it gives you more storage in there as well. Let's come down. Look how cool the front end is on your, so they've laid this out where you've got, it's like, you got dual climates. You got your screen right there in the center. It almost looks like little fans for your AC and your heat blowing out there. Dual cup holders. I really like dual cup holders because, when you got multiple people, my wife, she's got to have, a cup, a can of something. So she's always got 2 drinks with her, which I don't know why, because she doesn't drink but half of one. So that's just how it is. But yeah, this will flip down. You've got a full bed up top. Your TV will come out, so you can watch it up here, or you can watch it directly on your theater seating. I want to show you that next. That's directly across here. So you've got theater seating right here. You've got little tables that will come in here. They go in almost like, I call them like TV trays, but they're look nicer than a TV tray, right? So they'll slide. You got a little table there. You've got a little storage spot here, cup holders, place to put like your remotes and everything here. These will recline, and looks like you've got right there, there's just a button right here. What's pretty neat is, if you can see it on this side, look at this. So this has a USB port, right? So it's already built into the switch, and then you can bring bring that up and in, so you can plug in your phone and everything there. I really like how they've done that. I've not really seen that very often in units, so I like their theater seating. That's a nice little plus that they've done there, so you can charge your phone and stuff when you're hanging out. More cabinets up above, right? Just trying to utilize your space. Even this is sort of cool how they've done that. For magazines or books or even remotes and stuff, you can put that there as well. Look at your shade up top, right? So they gave you a nice skylight up above. As we're up here, they even give you a nice 10-blade fantastic fan, which is a nice plus. Let's go through real quick. So this thing's only 25 foot 5 inches. So it's almost like driving a bigger van. As far as you can sleep 2, 4 easily. If someone wants to sleep bad enough, they could always even sleep in the theater seating. So that's nice. I like that. This does feature a 1 super slide. Big storage here, or big refrigerator here. So you've got bottom freezer, top fridge, How they've done that, and it is also dual hinged, so you can open from both sides. A lot of manufacturers are starting to go to those. It's just, you know, if you're at night and you want to get something to drink real quick, you can just come here, grab it, go back to bed. You don't have to walk all the way in here, stumble around, try to find it. You're just easy access from both sides. This does have a full walk around bed, right? So you can walk around. Utilized all your space, hanging space in the back here. So you've got all this hanging space back here. Storage here, cabinets down below. Directly behind me, they put a television. They built that in so that you can watch a movie or, you know, get your television at night or when you're laying in bed. And as we come back around here, let you open that up there, go on in. You've got your shower, you've got your toilet. They put that toilet on an angle, which is nice because it gives you more leg room and leg space. They got a medicine cabinet. They've got your sink in there. So, I mean, for being only just over 25 foot, you still got pretty darn good room in your bathroom. Not taking away a ton of space from your bedroom and living area as well. So, like how they've done that. And then they've got an accordion door to close this off as well. It'll come directly and latch right in there. So, they put a microwave down below. What's nice about the microwave is you know, it's convection, right? So you can bake on that. So you don't have to have a separate oven and a separate microwave. You gain, instead of putting a microwave up here, you just gained all that storage. So I like how they've done that. AC's fully ducted. I like the colors. They mixed in, you know, like again, a modern. They put in darker furniture, lighter cabinets with some dark accents that match up to everything. So I really like how they've done that. And then they give you a flip-up countertop right there. And then I'll pull up for your USB, micro USB, and then you've got two 110 GFI outlets right there too. And that gets up out of the way.